Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In case you're new here, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. Today's video is all about computerized embroidery. I just want you guys to be a part of my trial and error with the computerized embroidery machine. So today I am going to do this kind of design, which is a very pretty leaf neck with some jal work and some thread filling using silk thread. So this is how it looks on the machine before we actually start the work. These are all punched images, which means it is in the machine readable format. So that's one a big back end process we have to do in case you want to do computerized embroidery. So here I have set up everything. I have resized the image to the required neck length and the shoulder measurement. Now I've started off with the gold color thread. I have just used around 3 or 4 colors because I felt that's good enough on this blue fabric. And this fabric is just a sample fabric, it's not the actual blouse piece. Now, since most of you know, we have to work the neckline one part by one part, as in I'm doing the left side of the neckline now. Once the left side is completely done, that's when we will again shift the fabric and then do the exact same thing for the right side. So that's what becomes a little challenging, but I guess this one has come out really well. I kind of like the way it looks after the work is complete. Now what it is doing is the jal work. I call it jal work because that's how it looks. It looks very pretty. This stitch can replace the water filling stitch in Ari embroidery. I really like this design. This can be done in zari as well, but I'm using only silk thread right now. I didn't want to do too many trials in the same go. So I'm focusing on getting everything neat so that I can start taking orders. So this is how it looks. So after this part, the machine will again beep, and you can change the color if you wish, or continue with the same color. That's completely up to you. So the work is really beautiful. The precision, the way the machine moves, I'm just in love with it. So this part is almost done. Once this is done, we'll see if we want to change the color or we want to continue in the same color. So after every part is done, the machine kind of beeps and it'll actually display what it is going to do next. So depending on that, you can decide if you want to change the color. Here I've changed the color to green so that it looks it gets more highlighted. So that's how nicely the machine is designed. It's very little of manual work required. All you have to know is the operation. That's what I am repeatedly saying, because in case you guys are interested, this is a very good choice to make investment, because you can earn a decent income by doing this work. So again I have changed it back to gold, and it is filling this part, the part that is closer to that jal work. Now it has started working the flowers, so I have changed the color. This color is more like a peachy red. It's not that proper red, but it's more like peach side of red. So this is the first flower. There are, I think, about 5 flowers it has to do, and then there is some other design in between the flowers. So for this last part I have used green, and I'm also using the same green color to do the outline. So you can actually notice the difference, the first one with the outline and the second green motif without the outline. The outline one looks more defined and it's very neat. So once this outline is done, it's like the left side of the neckline is complete, and then I'll have to move the frame and do the exact same thing on the other side, that's on the right side. The right side is also complete, and this is how it looks after both the sides are done. It's a very pretty design, and the same design, if you want to get it done in Ari work, might cost in thousands, but this is much lesser. I have not yet decided on the pricing yet, but once I do, if you guys are interested, I will definitely go ahead and share the pricing list. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. I am still trying to learn and explore the machine. That's why I haven't started taking orders yet. But in a week, I think I will be all set to start the work. So once it is done, you can see yourself how beautiful it looks, and the cost wise also it's much lesser. So that's about it in today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Also consider joining us on YouTube. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.